Hi, my name is Al-Alim. I've lived in Delft for 15 years now. I moved here as a student originally, and actually I had family history in this town from before, but just didn't actually realize how impressive this little city is. So as a student, I lived in an apartment and I really lived the student life, destroying the house and everything. And only after living here for a few years, I discovered how amazing this town is. And I started digging into the underground history and finding out what is behind the scenario. Found out that it's the main siege, the place where the royal family started positioning itself when it started fighting the Spanish Inquisition. I found out it was full of convents and it was a rower's paradise. And all these things made it incredibly impressive. And of course, the amazing architecture all over the town. So I hope that you come and visit and enjoy my little city. So welcome to Delft, welcome to my city.